2 thumbs, slow and gentle, 2 thumbs. Gentle and slow lang, press down, keep going. Then separate me, Joy, 2 thumbs more, slow and gentle, forward. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. One hand in is kusika. One hand in. Slide your hands up, slow and gentle to the top. Slowly lang. Relax mo dyan, imamam. Natangka na. Relax, relax.
Pero nagdikitang pa nag-iman ay.
Slow and gentle.
Kakatakatawa dito. Sikat
Hold. Ikap mo iso na. Feel the clay. Slowly go at the tip of the. Slowly. Very good speed. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. Like the basic shape mo, beginner shape is a ball. To make a ball, i-push mo dito yung right, straight, and left. Clip mo dito. Dito mo timang i-push from the bottom, slowly out, and then up. Dito yung support only, awan pressure na. Up. Up. And mo nga i-control dyan, right? You're doing well. Go out the tip of the clay. Okay. Hold. Release your hands, wet your hands again. Very good. Do it one more time. Same speed, same pressure. On pressure to right. Support lang. Hold it at the top. Release your hands. Wet your hands again. Wet your hands again. Asis ko sikat, i-balance tayo. Flatten doon para release your hands. Okay? Good job. Ay, mas maganda to kaysa sa'yo.